everybody. It is a nice day outside. We went for a family outing today, and as we were heading back home, I asked my husband if we could go to the Dollar Tree. A couple months ago, there was a Dollar Tree that we went to that's about a 30 to 45 minute drive away from our house. And it was awesome. I was kind of rushed to go shopping there last time, but I did find a lot of stuff, and I did share with you guys on that. But I haven't gone like a hardcore Dollar Tree shopping in a while. I've been going like once a week, but I've been just grabbing like 1 or 2 items. Most of it's like just some activities for the kids. Like we got a bug net that is perfect for our pool on catching bugs. Like that thing is awesome. So that is currently by our little kiddie pool, but it is so awesome on picking up stuff in the water. But I got a lot of stuff to share with you guys what I got. My husband was with me too, so he grabbed a bunch of stuff. I feel like I'm too low in this chair. Let's see if I can sit up higher. There we go. Look at that. Okay, so I want to do, I know this is weird, but I want to do a table for my cart when I'm couponing, especially like Walgreens and CVS. I'm always all over the place when it comes to that, and so I went to the Dollar Tree the other day to get some clipboards. Now I do have clipboards that I use constantly. I duct taped it with their pretty duct tape, but I want to do something like that, so I ended up getting some clipboards. I love their clipboards. You know, very simple clipboards. They're awesome, and I've done 2 of these where I've done it with duct tape where they're all nice and shiny. So if you guys ever seen my videos, you'll see that I sometimes have a purple clipboard in my hand because I got these at the Dollar Tree. So I ended up getting 3 of them because I'm gonna put them like right next to each other and make like a little table, a little table for me to hold on it, because I always want something that's gonna hold my coupons. I want something that's gonna hold a bunch of stuff. And I know it's going to be weird taking this into the store, but I'm going to try it out and test it out and definitely do a DIY video for this, because I'm just sick of like, I have my camera with me also, so I'm always like dropping things because I need to protect my camera. And it's like, you know, I have my bag with me, but then I have like individual coupons in there, and then I have my pieces of paper, and I like to have a pen. And I think this is super awesome. I have a calculator around here somewhere that I might even just glue or tape a calculator to it, because I'm always constantly doing my math. So I ended up getting that. Now I really wanted colored, like pretty colored duct tape, but they didn't have any, so they had a bunch of black duct tape, so I got this. There is 5 yards in here, so I didn't know how much I needed. I probably grabbed way more than what I needed, but I was gonna get these to tape that. I'm like, okay, I'll just have a black clipboard, but I like to have stuff pretty. So we went to the Dollar Tree today, and I actually found some prettier ones because they didn't have any at this one store. But we'll definitely use duct tape. Like, you guys, we can always find uses for duct tape. For my other that same DIY, I ended up getting these push pin pins. Oh, they're push pin pins. I didn't realize that. That's okay, I can always cut off the push pin part, but I was going to use these to also use for my clipboard, so that's totally fine. I did not even think about that. I just wanted some clips, but I did not realize these were push pins. That's a cool idea. If I used to have my clipboard or my corkboard like I used to, that's kind of a cool idea, yes. So I also got these. These are the desk swag. Now what I'm going to use for these is I'm actually going to put them on the back so it can clip onto the cart. So I got these. I'll probably decorate these with, you know, the duct tape too, because I don't need to see good job and excellence. So I ended up just getting these to do that. So definitely have to stay tuned and see what I do for that DIY. I'm hoping to make it today or tomorrow, and then I will soon have a video to share with you guys with that, because I need something right away. So lately the Dollar Tree has been having some movies lately, and it's one thing I really love shopping is for the movies. Now back then they usually had they had some decent movies. Well, now what I've noticed is the movies they've had in the past, a lot of them are movies that have been previously watched. Like, you know, there's a lot of places that, you know, you can rent movies. Well, pretty much after they've been not watched as anymore, they put them in there and then they wrap them in plastic. But my favorite thing is to find Blu-rays, especially Blu-rays with digital copies. I have found a lot of movies with digital copies. So I was pretty excited for all the movies that I found. So I found Catching Fire, you guys. And this looks like, you know, it's a legit one that's not been opened or anything. I actually like the series. Okay, the digital copies on iTunes. Hopefully we can get it better. I don't have an iTunes. I have an iTunes account, but you know what? I wanted this movie. I mean, for $1, you can't go wrong. I can't remember if this is, I don't know what number this is. But I have like, they said it expired in 2017, but if it did expire, that's okay. But I have like a DVD that I got around Christmas time with all 4 movies, I think is what there was. But you know what, if I can get like a good Blu-ray of it, I'm gonna definitely go ahead and do it. It says it includes an expert from the novel. I also found Ace Ventura Pet Detective. Like, this is awesome, you guys. Like, Ace Ventura Pet Detective. Yeah! So, I think this is kind of cool. I just recently watched this movie not that long ago, but I mean, it looks like a legit movie, like it's never been opened. And then, I don't know if my husband found any movies, but I found Snoopy Come Home and A Boy Named Charlie. Now, the disc is loose in here, which is not a big deal to me, but I mean, we loved watching Charlie Brown movies. We watched the holiday ones all the time, but I'm like, this is awesome, you guys. Awesome, awesome, awesome. For $1, you cannot go wrong. Like, I just snatched this up. And then I also got cartoons, not from my childhood, but way before my time, but I still got these. And the funny thing is, it actually says Walmart on here. So these are like what's in their Walmart, probably their $3.74 bin or something. But it says there's 170 cartoons. I don't know how long this video is. It's 1,257. It's like over 1,000 minutes long. What? 1,200? Yeah, it's probably a couple hours. But it's got, you know, Woody Woodpecker, Betty Boops, Popeye, Casper. I thought this was super awesome. I loved watching this stuff. I hope there's one girl in here that I used to watch. I can't remember her name. Lulu. I hope she's on there, because there's this Lulu video that I watched all the time. Okay, and as you guys know, I've been really into jeweling, making jewels and stuff, and I keep dropping my jewels everywhere. So I got this little tray to use so I can have my jewels in each little section, and then I can, you know, work on my plate, and I don't have to worry about it, you know, making a mess or the jewels running all over the place. This is exactly perfect for what I want. So I ended up getting that. I also got the purple duct tape. The other bags have it, but I ended up getting this one. This is kind of what color my clipboard is right now, but I wanted to get this. So this is also 5 yards. I had no idea how much I needed, so I ended up getting 5 of these. Like I said, I will probably be doing a lot more stuff with that, but I ended up doing that. I got some treats for my cat. Like, my cat's not a treats person. This is the Pounce. I used to get these for her all the time, and then she just kind of stopped eating treats. But I thought, you know what, I'm going to get these and see if she maybe wants it. So I ended up getting a little thing of Pounce treats because I saw them there. They had a whole end cap, you guys, of like really good stuff. Like, you know, I don't know if you remember, but they had these like big giant Orby things, like in the shape of fruits and stuff. They had them there for $1, and then they had these like huge squishies that you could squeeze and then they slowly rise. They had a bunch of those, which was awesome. I really wanted to get them, but I'm really trying to cut back on buying stuff that I don't need. Yes, it's cool for the kids, but it would just sit around after a while. So we didn't get that. They had a couple blind bags of a couple different things, but Ben found these Hatchimals they had for $1, so he ended up getting 2. He opened one of them in the car, but he's just obsessed with these like little blind bags. I'm like, whatever. So he had one that he already opened. Graham loves these voodoo chips, so we got 2 bags of that one. You guys are gonna love how I say bags. So we got 2 bags of those. Then let me just get the stuff out of here so I can put all this stuff right back in my little tote that I have everything in there, so it's easier to bring upstairs. upstairs. Okay, so the next thing we got is these veggie straws. Ben loves these. He absolutely loves these. He wanted to eat them on the car ride home, but he forgot about it. So we got these because, you know, we love veggie straws. I wanted to get some pretzels for Miss Charlotte. I thought this would be kind of a good thing for her to gnaw on. It's a big stick, and Ben's like, oh, I like those too. And I love getting the name brand. I love getting big products at the Dollar Tree, and they've had these for there for quite some time, so I ended up getting that. Graham ended up getting some Original Gummy Fun Mix, the Soda Pop Party. So we got cola, lemon lime, cherry cola, and grape. Ooh, I want to try grape. There's not that much in here. I mean, if you guys, oh, there's orange and there's strawberry. But I mean, if you look at it, this is how much gummies is in that whole entire bag. Like, really? Okay, for $1. Now, with 4th of July going on right now, 4th of July is pretty much canceled in our area. So, you know, we're going to get some fireworks. We're going to do little things here and there. But I thought, Ben, it would be great for him to just run around, you know, 4th of July possibly in our yard with some glow sticks or whatever. So we ended up getting, or Graham grabbed him some nunchucks, which they call them nunchucks. We got a ball. What is this? A lantern? A lantern. Okay. So it makes like a little ball thing. And then this is kind of cool. It's a glow ball. We actually have this. Ben still plays with the ball even though it doesn't glow anymore. So kind of cool. He also got some silly string, or they call it goofy string. So I've always been wanting to do this. I actually want to have a fight with Ben with silly string. It'd be kind of cool. And then this is the toys I was telling you guys on the end cap that they had. They ended up having these troll dolls, you guys. Like, I don't even know how much these go for. I don't even know if, like, let me check. I have the Walmart app on my phone. Let's just see if they even ring up at Walmart. See how much they cost at Walmart. So these cost $4.99. Something popped up and then it went away. I think they ranged from like $4.99. But we ended up getting Miss Poppy. I thought these are good toys for Charlotte when she's a little bit older. I have a feeling in the next year she's going to be obsessed with trolls. So we got Poppy, and then we also got Harper, which is a troll that I am unfamiliar with, but we got that one. And then there's another one in here, and this is DJ Suki. So for $1 you can't go wrong. It's not popping up, but they did come up. They were $1. And then Ben got this other blind bag. It's called Moji Mo. I don't even know what this is. Like, I have no idea what it is. I think it's like wrapped in plastic or something. But he wanted this, and I'm like, okay, whatever. We ended up getting, Graham's been obsessed with dots, and every single time I'm like, Graham, what do you want me to get you at the Dollar Tree? Get me some dots. They don't have any. I've gone to several different freaking Dollar Trees and they never have it. So he finally got his box of dots. Yes. Graham has gotten these potato sticks several times. He enjoys them. I've tasted them before. They're alright. I'll eat them, but I like the regular shoestrings, potato chips, or whatever. As you guys know, I do have more duct tape, but I plan on doing a couple other things with that. If not, I can always see if I can exchange it. I ended up getting this piercing and scoring tool set. Now this has like a needle on it. I always need this stuff for when I am doing my vinyl stuff. So I thought this is kind of cool, and then it's got little picks that I can move stuff around if I need to. I'm always constantly losing my scissors, even though I have like 3 pairs right here. But I thought I'm gonna have another pair. These are not the greatest quality, but I'm like, for $1 I need some scissors, so I ended up getting those. Graham also grabbed the Red Lobster seafood seasoning. I've seen a couple of people haul this, so that is kind of interesting. And then Graham collects cards from Vegas. When we go to Vegas, he always collects the cards. But he found these because the Dollar Tree has had them. So he ended up getting Rio, which we already have these. We've been to the dance club at the Rio. And then he ended up also getting the Pleasure Pit, which is at Planet Hollywood. I know it's like a little section in it. But yeah, they sell these everywhere in Vegas, and now you can find them at the Dollar Tree also. I've seen them for a couple years. So that is my haul, you guys. Most of it's just snacks. Movies are the #1 thing that I love to get at the Dollar Tree because I am a huge movie buff. But if you guys enjoyed this video, please let me know by giving this video a thumbs up. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys all next time. Bye-bye.